Right, good morning, good afternoon. My name's Kevin. I'm going to be going through some driving procedures with us this afternoon. Just a test one to begin with, it'll be about 10-15 minutes. Just going to drive away from here. We're going to be looking at commentary driving and hazard awareness, mainly. Anticipation and hazard awareness. Just so we can get a practice for what we can see and what we should be thinking about as we're driving along. No specific subjects, nothing too detailed to begin with. Just a test of the cameras and some hazard perception. Okay, so a few things to mention before we start is we've got some rain. So we need to make sure our windscreen wipers are on, both front and back. Also, we've got some limited light, so we need to think about lights. In this case, I'm going to put my side lights on, just so that we've got some visibility, some people can see us, basically, in the dimmer light. Also, road surface is going to be wet. We've got a lot of surface water because it's been raining quite heavily. So we need to be thinking about stopping distances if we do encounter a hazard ahead, and also the stopping distances for vehicles behind us. So if they have to slow down as well, we may need to take that into account by slowing down sooner. So we're going to be using our rear view mirror, and we're going to be using the side mirrors. I've set myself up, I'm all ready to go, so let's go. Just checking both mirrors. We're ready. I'm just going to undo my main window, although it's raining, and give it a slightly better view, and also I can hear other traffic approaching as well. So I'm just going to carry on as normal. I saw a car approaching a green Peugeot parking up earlier, so there could be somebody getting out of that car. I've also got a pavement to the left here, just as we're pulling off. So as well as checking over my right shoulder before I pull away, I'm just going to check into that pavement, make sure there's no one coming out. One final check over the right shoulder, make sure it's still clear. And we're going to come down towards the end of this road, do a 3-point turn. You can see someone pulling out from the car behind us. So we could have people moving around behind us, especially as we go back down this road. So I'm going to do a 3-point turn here. So I'm looking for either side, looking for people, cars moving, lights. Just checking the mirrors as well, just to make sure there's no one behind me. And I'm going to pull into this driveway. We're on a slight slope, so I'm going to secure the vehicle, prepare it, and then I'm going to observe. Checking my right blind spot first, right down through those back windows, just to make sure there's no people coming out from the gates into the rear view window, because we've got a car behind us, could be lights on, could be someone reversing. Check my left mirror, make sure there's no one there in my left blind spot. Checking down the road through the side mirror, make sure there's no cars approaching. Checking out the back window and through the side blind spot, making sure there's no one coming. I can't see anyone, so it's handbrake down, I've prepared and I'm going to go back slowly. Keep an eye on that car behind me, keep an eye on the fence in the garden, and then keep an eye to the side in case there's a car coming, or pedestrians. I'm just going to check all the way around at my right blind spot and check around, scanning all the way around through the mirrors, down the road, back out the back window as I carry on moving. I'm going to that slot between the car and the fence. Set up my steering, ready to turn on the next part, take like a 3-point turn. Come to a stop there, still looking out the back window until I've come to a very stop. Secure the vehicle, select the gear I need, first gear in this